ఈరోజు మనము జేఈ మెయిన్స్ 2020 ఎగ్జామినేషన్లో రివిజన్ ప్లాన్ ఏ విధంగా చేసుకుందామో తెలుసుకుందాం. మొదట జేఈ మెయిన్స్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్లో మొత్తము మ్యాథమెటిక్స్లో 25 క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తాయి, 25 ప్రశ్నలు వస్తాయి. ఇన్ దిస్ 25 క్వశ్చన్స్ 20 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆర్ ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ టైప్ ప్లస్ 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆర్ న్యూమరికల్ టైప్. Total 25 questions. 20 questions are objective, 5 questions are numerical type. Total 25 questions. Each question carry 4 marks. With each wrong question carry 1 negative marks. Here in this total mathematics 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B. Total number of question is 25. In this 25, 20 questions are objective type. Objective type nothing but multiple choice. And 4 options are given. Choose any one option is correct one. Here first of all today discuss first year mathematics which topic coming to the JEE mains examination discuss. First mathematics 1A. First chapter is sets. Second chapter is relations. Third chapter is functions. These 3 chapters belongs to only one question in JEE mains examination 2020 or previous 2019-2020 April online examination. Each shift having only one question, that is sets, relations and functions. These 3 chapters are similar chapters. Next one, mathematical induction. In this chapter 2020 online April online examination, no question can be coming. Why? Because your mathematical induction is only IP intermediate examination important topic only. JEE examination లో ఈ టాపిక్ నుండి మనకు క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చే ఛాన్సెస్ తక్కువగా ఉంటుంది. మ్యాట్రిసెస్, ఈ మ్యాట్రిసెస్లో మనకు మ్యాట్రిక్స్ డిటర్మినెంట్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. మ్యాట్రిక్స్ డిటర్మినెంట్ నుండి మనకు కంపల్సరీ ఒక క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటుంది. దానితో పాటు మ్యాట్రిక్స్ లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ నథింగ్ బట్ క్రామర్ రూల్, మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఇన్వర్షన్ మెథడ్ అండ్ గాసన్ మెథడ్, ఈ మెథడ్ నుండి మనకు ఒక క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంది. కాబట్టి జేఈ మెయిన్స్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్లో మ్యాట్రిసెస్ నుండి 2 క్వశ్చన్స్ వచ్చే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉన్నాయి. దాని తర్వాత ఎడిషన్ ఆఫ్ వెక్టర్, ప్రొడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ వెక్టర్. దిస్ 2 చాప్టర్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు 3D geometry. In this 3D geometry having only one question, vectors having only one question. 2020 January online examination, each shift having only one question, that is product of vector, cross product, scalar product, triple product, vector triple product or shortest distance. This type of problems coming to the JEE mains 2020 examination. After that next one is trigonometry. Trigonometry nothing but trigonometry up to transformations, compound angles, multiples and submultiple angles and compound and dividend rule. After that trigonometry equations, inverse trigonometry functions. These are topics coming to the trigonometry only. In this trigonometry each shift having only one question, that is any one. If any one trigonometry compound angles or multiple and submultiple angles and transformation of angles. After that trigonometry equation and inverse trigonometry functions. After that next one is what? Next one is properties of triangle. In this properties of triangle maximum theory problems coming to the JEE mains examination. Theory problems by using sine rule, cosine rule, tangent rule and projection rule. This type of formulas coming to the JEE mains examination. Next hyperbolic function. In this hyperbolic function no question coming to the JEE mains examination. Why? Because hyperbolic function having only 2 marks bit in IP examination, that topic no question coming to the IP examination. This is the mathematics 1A. Mathematics 1A important topics in JEE mains examination. Very important topic is matrices and vectors, 3D vectors and matrices and trigonometry or sets and relations and functions. These are very important problems in JEE mains examination. Here mathematics 1A also be heights and distance coming one question and sequence and series also be coming. JEE Mains examination, and mathematical reasoning, very important and very easy topic. Mathematical reasoning also be coming one question in JEE Mains examination. These topics are very important topic in JEE Mains examination. These topic every shift compulsory minimum 2 or 3 questions coming to the JEE Mains examination. Mathematics 1B. In this Mathematics 1B, JEE Mains 2020 having only 6 topics, important topics. One is straight lines. In the straight lines, find the equation of the straight line parallel to the given line or perpendicular line, or if two lines are perpendicular to each other, two lines are parallel to each other, find the orthocenter of the straight lines, circumcenter, incenter. In this model problems coming to the JEE Mains examination straight lines chapter. In this straight line chapter, each shift having compulsory one question. After that, pair of straight line. Pair of straight line also be here given pair of straight line equation is hyperbola or parabola or ellipse or circle or homogeneous model. In this model coming to the JEE Mains examination, basically a pair of straight line chapter. In this pair of straight line chapter, sometimes coming one question, sometimes coming no question in the JEE Mains examination. After that, 3D geometry. 3D geometry nothing but three coordinate geometry and direction, cosines and ratios, and the plane. Here in these 3 topics, the plane topics is very important. The plane. In this the plane topics compulsory coming to the JEE Mains examination one question. Plane and vector 3D plane. Vector 3D plane and the plane are very important topic. The topics are coming to the JEE Mains examination compulsory, each shift one question. Next, this 3 chapter belongs to calculus. Which part? Calculus part. In this calculus part, limits and continuity is very important topic. In this topic, compulsory using L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule topic problems coming to the compulsory one question in JEE Mains examination. This is very important topic in L'Hospital rule. Students, you can learn and read L'Hospital rule. You get compulsory one question in JEE Mains examination. You get 4 marks. After that, differentiation and applicable of derivative. This total chapter belongs to 3 or 2 questions coming to the JEE Mains exam. 3 or 2. ఈ 2 చాప్టర్ల నుండి మనకు JEE Mains ఎగ్జామినేషన్లో 2 లేదా 3 క్వశ్చన్లు వస్తాయి. అయితే ఈ 2 చాప్టర్లో మీరు డిఫరెన్షియేషన్లో మెథడ్స్, సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ మెథడ్, పారామెట్రిక్ మెథడ్ and implicit method and logarithmic method is very important. And next, double derivative of the differentiation. This is very important topic in JEE Mains examination. After that, applicable derivative, maxima and minimum value, and length of the tangent and length of the subtangent, angle between the 2 curves. Next, mean value theorem, very important. Already my YouTube channel completed mean value theorem, angle between the 2 lines, length of the tangent and length of the normal, and maxima minima problems completed my YouTube channel. See that videos, you get total information which type questions coming to the JEE Mains examination totally explained. Right, this 2 topics coming to the 3 questions in JEE Mains examination. This is the first year topic, mathematics 1A, mathematics 1B. This is the first year topics in JEE Mains 2000 revision plan. In this revision plan, total 5 questions coming to the numerical type. In these 5 questions, 1 question compulsory coming to the calculus part. 100% 1 question coming to the calculus part. That is numerical type, nothing but fill in the blanks type. That questions you can do completely coming to the calculus part only. Okay.